I'm Jane Lauterbach, and this is The Purpose Works. Today's conversation and what we're going to be doing all month long is really kind of diving into our relationship with work. One of the beautiful silver linings of the pandemic is millions of us have become hyper-focused on the issues most important to us at work. Purpose, human connection, more humane ways of working, and doing the work that brings about the most meaningful impact. Today we're in the most shakiest of shakeups. We all don't know exactly where we're all going to land, yet I can guarantee it will be a little messy, and for a good reason, to do good work and for all of us to be better at what we want to be. To create better in every aspect of our work is really an amazing opportunity. It's a once-in-a-lifetime or once-in-a-century opportunity. And let's face it, the reality of the pre-pandemic work structures within that are likely to become a relic. Right now, though, we're focused on the process. Working from home, is it a hybrid, actually how we get to work? And that's old world thinking. After 2 years of managing lockdown, we've reckoned with a true sense of who we are and what we want within our lives to do the best work. And how we go to work and the process of it has become a real salty issue. Probably because for many of us, we feel that our wings are being kind of clipped. The flexibility that we had before is no longer allowed or bestowed upon us, even though during the time that we were working at home, we were facing some of the most surprising crises that we had to do as an organization. So today, the highly critical tech skills are also removing the tight grip of where we need to work. It allows us to have that flexibility. So you have to wonder, why are we so focused on the process that what needs to be solved and shaped is why we all are going to work. The purpose, the shared community, that sense of having our identity. And these are the things that we have found in our own research as well. So to get started kind of on the right path, we have to forego the old ways of thinking. The starting point, the anchor will always be a clear articulation of purpose, with the specific outcomes that need to be delivered, the problems that need to be solved. The second thing is to have talent that's committed to the same purpose and for everyone to be held to the same sense of values, such as respect, civility, flexibility. And the third piece is how we're going to measure performance. Do we measure it by the value creation, or is it a quarter-to-quarter dynamic? We want to be able to thrive from the impact and the sustainability and the financial health of not only what we deliver on the outside, but also on the inside. And physical and technical requirements really allow us to be able to do what we need to do. It gives us the collaboration tools and allows us to have the culture and the culture training that we need. If we address why we go to work, location is no longer the essential argument. This purpose-based, human-centric thinking will give us the tools we need to construct the new models and whole new opportunities that the future is going to allow us to have today. If you found this video of value, please share it with others, and we always welcome your comments. Thank you.